We told you there's a heroin epidemic in the Miami Valley, but that didn't prepare even us for tonight's startling statistic.
Heroin overdoses are now the leading cause of death in Clark County. Alexandra Lewis just spoke with the sheriff there. She joins us now live with more.
In February, at a local hospital here in Clark County, in just one weekend, there was a record number of overdoses, and those were just the folks who made it to the hospital.
Arrest, incarceration, court, arrest, incarceration, court.
These deputies are logging evidence, addicts stealing from their neighbors for drug money.
They just got out of the jail. They're right back in the jail. We're on a first-name basis.
Sheriff Kelly says the crime is a byproduct of addicts who stay alive long enough to steal.
We had 3 individuals who had been released from jail, and within hours they were dead from heroin overdoses.
In February, Springfield Regional Medical Center saw a record number of heroin overdoses in just one weekend, 39.
It put a severe tax on the hospital staff, on law enforcement, on paramedics, and we still don't know the exact concoction that was mixed together.
Sheriff Kelly says his office has to be relentless.
We've made more drug arrests this year than ever in history. We have to do everything. We're doing the education, we're doing enforcement, we're doing intervention when people are arrested.
Unfortunately, Sheriff Kelly says there's no end in sight.
Our borders need to be tightened up, that these drugs are not grown here or produced here in the United States. They're brought in.
Until then, the Sheriff's Department is working harder than ever.
That's what it's all about. This is what we do this for.
And joining forces like the creation of the Range Task Force just to put a dent in the vicious cycle.
We've brought together law enforcement agencies from across Southwest Ohio working with state and federal agencies, and that's what we must do today. There's not enough resources in any one agency.
Sheriff Kelly also told me there's some really bad stuff going around here in Clark County. Some heroin that's been cut with some bad fentanyl, even some rumors of heroin cut with horse tranquilizers. It's more important now than ever to stay as far away from this stuff as possible. Reporting live here in Park Lane tonight, Alexandra Lewis, ABC 22 News.